All right, y'all. We got to staff it out here. We got the Granite brush versus the MT10 brush. We think they're about the same speed. Let's see. Oh, you faster. All right, let's see. Are we gonna go on 3? 1, 2, 3. They're about the same, I think. Uh-oh, I don't know. Well, I think you're right. Barely, though. I'm barely catching them. It's probably got by about a mile. I thought he was coming this way. I was getting out the street. It's probably about a mile or 2 faster at the most. All right, we coming down, y'all. Let's see who gets it. Oh, shoot. You might be a little nose heavy. Let's see if I can do it. Nothing like running a brush truck. Woo! I had to hit it too. We both are running on LiPo batteries. Oh, you ain't taking that jump no more, huh? You don't want to scratch that body up. I ain't going all the way down there. I don't know what's coming out down that way. Oh. We 2 big kids out here. I think the Granite can accelerate faster though. Now he got a Stampede that'll beat me. A 2-wheel drive one. Oh, first flip. You can tell we having fun because neither one of us talking. Oh, let me get out of the way. He ain't jumping that hump. I am. Go, car, go, go. Oh, oh. Barely. Uh-oh. Something kind of gearbox. I hear it. Oh, he got me now. I'm a lipo dumping. I got that 3300 in there. We was running him earlier. It's slowly, I can see it dying down. We killing these jumps though. Yeah, mine's just dying. I can see it. Little by little. It look all cool, all dirty. I think the granite looks better though. I mean, I think the rival got a better color.